Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and Ethereum crypto market daily update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. Get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, buying scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Bitcoin and Ethereum right here. So Bitcoin on the very short term, and then we are going to see the weekly frame as well. Bitcoin on the short term, it is going to go higher. Continuous bullish RSI divergences on the 1 hour frame, lower lows, higher lows on the RSI. That means that we are going to see potentially higher targets for Bitcoin. So let's see some important resistance levels. Right now, what we can do is we can draw our Fibonacci retracement. Let's go to the 4 hour frame from this top right here, going back down to this bottom right there. And you can see that first we have the 39.4K, second the 40.5K, third the 41.8, and we have the 42.4K as well. Is this the bottom right now for Bitcoin? Are we going to have a higher target right now and maybe even surpassing the 44.5K? I do believe that the time is coming. And the time is now ready to go with Bitcoin and not against Bitcoin. And we can see a pump above the 45K. But right now, what we want to see and what we need to do is to just close above all of these lines, especially the 42.4K. If we can manage to do that, then we increase the chances of seeing the 45, 47 and 48 and so on, even the 50,000 Tether USD. If you think that we are bearish, do not forget what Bitcoin did in the previous times where we had the support level or lower support levels. We can go plus 11% in just one day. Do not underestimate Bitcoin. And why I'm even more bullish on Bitcoin, it is because on the weekly frame, what we did here is that we had a green candlestick, yes, with a huge sell pressure, but this usually never fails to give us higher targets after, in the next few weeks, and even maybe on this week again. So right now you can see that this is not a shooting star pattern, as we didn't have an uptrend. If it was an uptrend right here and we had this huge sell pressure, I would tell you that yes, probably Bitcoin's price is going to go lower. However, right now, we are probably going to have a huge buying pressure within this week. And therefore, Bitcoin can even manage to pull off a 48K. Right now, though, let's stay at the basics. What I want to do as well is I will show you how to draw the Gann fan, and we are going to draw the Gann fan. Actually, I have made a video about the Gann fan and how to draw it properly, so you can check it out as well, but I will go a little bit faster right now in order to see maybe possible support levels on the long term, because I am on the weekly frame. I would say actually mid-long term, or maybe even better mid-term. Right now, we can see that I will copy this number, paste it right here, okay, and I will divide the second high, the 69,000, with this number right there. We get the 0.42, we copy this, and then we need to divide it with a 205. So we go here, and we divide this number with 205, 483. So we are pasting this number right here, and we are ready to go. We have a Gann box in a 1-to-1 price to bar ratio. And you will notice something, that it is way long. It goes up to 26 November. Yes, it is because we are having and we are looking for more of the mid-long term. So if I have the Gann fan, I will start from the same bottom that I had the Gann box, and I need the 1-1 Gann fan line to go through the top corner of the Gann box. Okay, so here you can see the GAN line, top corner of the GAN box. All right, so I'm going to delete this one right here. And what I'm going to do right now is that I am going to zoom in. So you can see that we stopped at the 1-1 GAN line on 24th January on the weekly frame as well. And I think that we are ready maybe to go to the 50,000 Tether USD right now. Of course, I think that we are going to see more higher price targets for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to go massively into the 50,000 Tether USD, maybe avoiding even the 20-day EMA, crossing down the 50-day on the weekly frame. We will see the targets right now for the midterm, but let's first jump into Ethereum. Ethereum is going to go higher as well in the 1 hour frame and in the short term. We can manage to go even higher towards the 2800, which is a very important resistance level. After we can go to the 2926, and from there, if we close above, we will go to 3175, and then I think we will pull off the 3500 Tether USD for Ethereum as well. Unfortunately, Ethereum is not looking good against Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm assuming that for Ethereum against Bitcoin right now, what do we have is unfortunately a downtrend. At the end of the day though, I feel like Ethereum is going to go higher mainly because of Bitcoin. Ethereum will be going higher because Bitcoin will drag it upwards. Okay, but Ethereum against Bitcoin is in a strong correction mode. That's why you're seeing Ethereum looking more bearish than Bitcoin. For example, right here on the weekly, we had a minus 2.50% correction, right? But for Bitcoin, it was a plus 1.91. This means that Ethereum, unfortunately, is not strong yet against Bitcoin, and therefore this is why it drops down. However, for the short term, have a look at 2833 and the 2766. Those are very, very strong resistance levels, and we should be looking at. Although I believe that Ethereum is going to go massively into the higher targets as well, because Bitcoin will be going there. So next price targets for Bitcoin on the midterm. Let's go to the daily frame as well. And what we are having, I think, is that we are going to explode. Maybe this is the bottom for Bitcoin as well. And we are going to see higher levels on the 47,200, on the 49 and the 50,000, maybe the 50,000. If we close above the 49.5k, then we are having strong chances into seeing Bitcoin into the next price targets, which could be even higher than the 69,000 Tether USD. But in overall, what my theory is right here is that we are going to stop around there, and from there we are going to have the bearish market coming in. For Bitcoin, unfortunately, this is going to be the case. However, though, let's not lose our hope, and we can manage to make our best. Although, if we fall down and we go to the lower support levels, in the signals group, we have short positions as well. So join our Patreon and you're going to join our beautiful Telegram group, and you are going to get easy profits with short and long positions, and of course, educational videos and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.